CORUS 5 project is, strangely, the third CORUS project. The first one has developed the concept of operations for U-Space, and we worked between 2017 and 2019. The second project was called CORUS Extension for Urban Air Mobility, and we developed the fourth version of the ConOps, and we finished that in summer of 2023. Since then, quite a lot has changed. There's been research work going on, regulations have passed, best practice around the world has improved, and we want to take benefit of that and update the concept of operations to produce the 5th edition. That's what the CORUS 5 project will do. We've been working here at UPC over the past 2 days to interact with our stakeholders and to revise a set of research questions that will drive the direction of the next concept of operations. We've had a marvelous group of people come together from around the world. People have traveled from Australia, Canada, America to take part and join a largely European team who are thinking about what is the future of U-Space and operation of UTM and operation of these larger passenger carrying vehicles in the European airspace. So our work will develop a concept of operation which will draw together existing research looking at the next step for the U-Space regulation, and will look further ahead to how we should operate in the future when we integrate unmanned and manned aircraft in the same airspace. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank again Enrique Pastor and the team at UPC who've made us most welcome. We've had a very enjoyable 2 days, very stimulating, very tiring, and very informative. And thank also everybody who came along. It's been a good workshop.
So today in Canada, we track all requests to fly in controlled airspace. That's what people have to do. So we're very aware of how many flights and operations are actually occurring, and we're seeing an increasing trend in those flights. As we look to the future, we're looking to enable BV loss, and we'll be looking to support initially low risk BV loss, which Transport Canada is going to be bringing in soon, and beyond that we'll be moving into more advanced operational areas for BV loss. I think the biggest challenge that we all face is getting some clarity on the demand, how much industry can grow. For Canada, we're a very different geography, very large geographical area, very different climates. So what is the growth of this segment going to look like? And therefore, how can we support that? How can we help industry innovate? How can we help establish the kind of services that are required to really get this industry to flourish and start to really build up?
My name is Caroline Schweiger and I'm a project engineer at Eurocontrol Innovation Hub. I prepared, together with the CORUS 5 consortium, the preparation workshop here in UPC. By doing that, we gathered different reference material and we did a gap analysis comparing what is the status quo right now and what is still missing in terms of U-Space development. In that gap analysis, we derived a lot of research questions, and these research questions have been brought to the workshop. Now, what we are doing here in the workshop is that we are breaking up these research questions in different topics of interest, and these topics of interest are different breakout sessions in the workshop. During these breakout sessions, we are gathering in smaller groups, and we are refining, discussing, adding new research questions, and are even discussing if some research questions are irrelevant because they're already answered by some other research projects. After these 6 iterations of breakout sessions, we then are gathering in a greater panel and we will present the different results and outcomes of these breakout sessions. During these breakout sessions, we gathered a lot of important feedback from different experts, and we are now consolidating that feedback and prioritizing the research questions that the 5th edition of the concept of operations for U-Space has to answer.